Welcome back, friends. I am Ali Chaus. I am an online instructor and entrepreneur, and in this course I am going to show you how to build a AliExpress to Shopify dropshipping website within an hour. Okay, so if you are going to start a dropshipping business and if you want to sell AliExpress products on your Shopify store, then in this course I am going to show you a one of the fantastic dropshipping tool called Oberlo. Why we need Oberlo? Because if you want to set the products of AliExpress on your website, if you are going to if you are importing products manually, like what you need the title, you need the all product images. Okay, and you have here so many variations like colors, like size of that product. So if you will do all these things manually, then it will take an hour for one product only. Okay, but if you use Oberlo, then within an hour you can import hundreds of products in your Shopify store. Okay, friends, so in this course I will teach you how to build that kind of stores step by step and start your dropshipping business journey within a day. Okay, friends, enroll this course and I will see you in the course. Thank you very much.